Hello, you guys. My name is Shante Holiday, and today we are going over what comes inside of the home buyers course. Um, I have a credit repair company myself, and I know that most of the time people get their credit repair fixed because they have the dream of having the white picket fence, the new home, and that is why I got the home buyers course. Even if I explain the home buyers process, even if my affiliate realtor does, their mortgage broker, a person can still have questions afterwards, they can forget, and ultimately everyone learns differently. So if you have as many ways for a person to absorb and be educated as possible, that's an extra win in your book for your business. And so that's why I made this there. So that way a person can kind of take their time, take notes, and be fully educated on what they need to expect and do, and why also the credit repair portion is so important and why it should be taken seriously. So I'm going to share my screen with you. We are going to look at these modules and these lessons, and I'm going to list for you what comes inside of each one. So that way you can have a firm understanding as the educator, what to expect and what you're going to be offering to your clients. So this is the overview objectives. All right. So first is the welcome. So it says the welcome to home buyers course here, of course. And that just welcomes your client for becoming a student, for choosing your company, and what they can expect going forward. So this module one here, this one basically has module overview. And this part one shares the advantages of a first-time home buyer. Part two goes over the advantages of a first-time home buyer continued. That way a person is not taking in too much at one time in one module. The following module here goes over the module overview first. Next, part one is spending, and part two is pre-mortgage consideration, and finally the quiz, right? Next is module overview. Part one, mortgages. Part two, how do lenders determine mortgage loan amounts? Part three, finding the right loan to finance your purchase. And finally, the quiz. Next is module overview. Next is fixing your credit score and improving your credit score. So even if a client contacts me and they're not ready to start their credit repair journey, I still suggest for them either the home buyers course or the DIY credit repair course. And in this module here that we're looking at right now, they're going to find my information, or if this is your course and you add this to your university, they're going to find your information because you can add it. And it's going to remind them, okay, credit is really important. I do really want this house, and I am willing to pay for assistance. So usually they end up coming right back to you, the professional, to help them. So next, fixing your credit score. Part two, improve credit score, and then the quiz. Next is the module overview. Part one, the home buying process. Part two, inspecting the home, and finally the quiz. And next you have the following module, the module overview, savings and maintenance for a home owner. And then part two is what to do after becoming a homeowner in the quiz. And finally, the congratulations module, which basically says, congrats, I'm proud of you. Thank you so much for choosing my university, my company. Thank you, right? And so that's what they can expect there. And depending on what package you chose with your e-learning platform, they'll have a certificate as well. I chose Thinkific and stuff there. I'm also partnered with them. I've had every learning platform known to man, and they're just one of my favorites. So definitely, but no matter what learning platform you choose and stuff there, I know you're going to be an amazing educator. So my name is Shante Holiday. We just went over what comes inside of the home buyers course, and I look forward to seeing you for my next video. Bye, guys.